Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button right here and keep holding it until you see the Polar logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Polar Flow application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search, then tap on search bar and type in Polar Flow and tap on search. You should see this application, Polar Flow, with this icon. Tap on it, then tap let's go up and tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. And after the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about permissions. For example, Bluetooth permission. This one I recommend to allow, but you can deny it if you want to. Next we have the notifications permission. This one is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow it. If you don't care, you can deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, tap on get started, log in into Polar Flow account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account right here to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna log in. Okay, then tap on sign in. I entered the email address wrong. Give me a second, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, should be good. And once you log in, you may see this page. It will redirect you to device page. But if you don't see this page, tap on the more options icon and tap on devices. And then you will see this page. And once you see it, we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. So press the back button, the one right here, to open the menu. Then use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Select the settings icon and then press the middle button to enter. Next, select the general settings and press the middle button. Then select pair and sync and press the middle button. And then select pair and sync phone and press the middle button. As you can see, the watch will enter the pairing mode. It should get detected by your iPhone. Then tap on start, tap on pair, confirm by pressing the middle button. Right here, as you can see, we can allow or deny the permission for location. This one is useful if you want to track your routes, like for running, cycling and stuff like that on the map. So if you want to use that feature, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And next we have the settings for our watch, and we can change a couple of things. We can change the preferred wrist, time format, language of our watch, and the preferred sleep time. And once you're done, you can tap on save and sync. Once you see this page, you can tap on view introduction if you want to see tutorial on how to use the watch. But I'm just gonna tap on close to close it, and then we can tap on devices again, and you should see your Polar Pacer Pro on the device page, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.